Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 3 raised to power s plus 3 is equal to 90. Solution. Then take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power 3 is equal to 90. Now this is 3 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power 3, that is 27, is equal to 90. Now let us divide the whole of this equation by 27. Then we have 3 raised to power s multiplied by 27 divided by 27 is equal to 90 divided by 27. This cancel this. Then 9 here, 3, 9 here, 10. Here we have 3 raised to power s is equal to 10 over 3. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 10 over 3. Now this is s log 3 is equal to log 10 over 3. Take note of this, that if you have log a over b, this is equal to log a minus log b. If you have log a raised to power b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as s is equal to log 10 minus log 3, then over log 3. Then here s is equal to log 10 over log 3 minus log 3 over log 3. But 10 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. S is equal to log 5 multiplied by 2 over log 3 minus this, cancel this, that is 1. Then if you have log AB is equal to log A plus log B. S is equal to log 5 plus log 2 over log 3 minus 1. S is equal to log 5 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3 minus 1. If you have log A over log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 minus 1. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power s plus 3 is equal to 90. Then this is 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 minus 1 plus 3 must be equal to 90. Then here we have 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 plus 2 must be equal to 90. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 multiplied by 3 square must be equal to 90. Then if you have 3 raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. This can be written as 5 multiplied by, this can be written as 2 multiplied by 3 square must be equal to 90. Then 5 times 2, that is 10 multiplied by 3 square, 9 must be equal to 90. Then 10 multiplied by 9, this is 90, is equal to 90, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.